Hello everyone. In our today's lecture, we are going to study about the structure and function of fimbriae and pili. Now, when we consider about the bacterial cell, there are small appendages present on the outermost covering of bacterial cell, and that small appendages are known as fimbriae or pili. These fimbriae and pili are nothing but hair-like appendages or parts which are present on the bacterial cell wall, similar to the flagella. ये जो पिलाए और फिम्ब्राए होते हैं उनका स्ट्रक्चर they are same like flagella, but they are slightly smaller than the flagella, and these pili and fimbriae are present on the outermost covering or on the cell wall of bacteria. They are, as I said earlier also, they are shorter than flagella and more in the number. They are involved in the bacterial conjugation, then attachment to the surface and motility. The main function of the pili is to adhere or to attach to any particular surface. किसी भी surface को पकड़ने के लिए या फिर attachment carried out करने के लिए, movement carried out करने के लिए from one place to another. Movement किसी भी reason से हो सकती है, either to gain the nutrients or to move away from the toxic chemicals or for the purpose of reproduction. These pili are used. These pili are present in both the forms, in gram-positive bacteria as well as in gram-negative bacteria, but mostly it is found in the gram-negative bacteria. These pili and fimbriae are generally made up of proteins known as pilin. And they are slightly hollow, means the inner surface of the pili is completely empty, they are hollow, they are non-helical, filamentous, and they are very thin, just like a hair, present all over the surface of the bacterial cell. If we see the structure of pili, here in diagram you can see the large thread-like particles are present on the bacterial cell known as fimbriae. If we enlarge it under the microscope, you can also see the long thread-like structure like pilus. Here you can see that they are hair-like. Then different types of filaments are there, means they are filamentous, which are present around the cell wall or whole bacterial cell. Any bacterial cell may have 1,000 numbers of fimbriae present on their surface, but these 1,000 numbers of fimbriae can only be seen with the help of electron microscope. Means these we cannot see these fimbriae with our naked eyes or with a simple compound microscope. We need an electron microscope to study the structure and function of fimbriae. The length of these fimbriae is nearly 0.5 micrometer and the thickness is around 10 micrometer or 10 nanometer. These fimbriae may be present in motile organism as well as in non-motile cell also. These fimbriae may be present. They can show antigenic properties depending on the type of bacteria, and these fimbriae and pili are classified on the basis of their structure and function. If we consider about Fimbria, these Fimbria help the bacteria in the adherence, means to capture to the host tissue and favorable microenvironment to draw the nutrition. किसी भी न्यूट्रिएंट्स को गेन करने के लिए या फिर होस्ट के बॉडी को अटैच करने के लिए फिम्ब्रिया हेल्प करते हैं. These fimbria may be present in different bacteria. For example, bacteria gets attached to the surface by fimbria of liquid culture media, forming a pellicle. A small pellicle-like structure is formed with the help of fimbria, and this pellicle helps the bacteria to attach to the liquid culture also. Some sex pili are also type of fimbria which are present in only male bacteria. Which are involved in the attachment with the female bacterium by forming a conjugation tube for a DNA transfer from male donor to the female recipient, and in this form the reproduction process is carried out further. Some examples of bacteria like Neisseria gonorrhea, Streptococcus pyogenes are some of the bacteria which consist of pili. Here there are the different parts and structures of bacterial cell. If we enlarge this image, here you can see a red colored thread like structures are present on the bacterial cell, which are known as pili. Or if these are included in the reproduction or conjugation process, then they are known as sex pili or fimbria. Here you can see this red thread-like structure which is present in the cell wall of bacteria. The whole cell is covered with such pili, and here you can also see the comparison between pili and flagella. See this flagella here is longer as compared to the size of pili. So this was all about the structure and function of the pili or fimbria. I hope you might have understood it. Thank you.